3, 2, 1. Stop it.
І разом з Генеральною прокуратурою буде прийматися рішення. Вибачте,
Готов взять себе животное домой.
Around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
Us in the studio for about 50. Whoops!
We tolerate this. If in every
The possibility.
Whoa! Hey, Cat. What Harry and Meghan said.
Okay, Blue's moved over to the other side of the couch now. You've been totally up.
And the BBC are also now embracing this. Why? And apologise for my cat's tail. Rocco, could you kill them?
Definitely not the case with my cats. I guess you're right. What other benefits are there